friends, welcome to Math Companion. This is one of the most popular questions in GCSE. So it's about a quadrilateral and it has three sides. One side is 210, another one is 90, another one is 130 meters. And then we have two angles, 70 degrees and 105. All right, let's try part A of the question. So find the length AC. So this is the length AC from here all the way, the length AC. Okay, now for us to work out length AC, we are going to use triangle. Let us look at triangle ABC, and that is what is going to guide us to get the solution. So triangle ABC, AB is 10, BC is 90, and angle B is 70 degrees. Since we have an angle between two sides that we know their lengths, we are going to find the missing length using the cosine rule. Now, we are going to say then side B. So if we want to find the length of side B, so it's going to be B squared. It's equals to, according to the cosine rule, it's going to be equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. And therefore, B squared is going to be equal to 90 squared plus 210 squared minus 2 times 90 times the cosine of times 210, then the cosine B, which is 70 degrees. So, in GCSE, we are allowed to use calculators, so we just plug all these values in our calculator, and if we plug that, we are going to get B to be equal to B is going to be equal to 839,271. So 839,271. And therefore, that's B squared. If you want to find B, is going to be equal to it's going to be 198.17 centimeters. So that's the answer for A, and it's actually 3 marks from what you can see. Then B, let us look at B. Show that the angle DAC is 39.4 degrees, correct to 3 significant figures. So angle DAC. So this is the angle we are going to find. Now, to work out this, we are going to use the sine rule. And we know the sine rule is usually given as A divided by sine A is equals to B divided by sine B, which is also equal to C divided by sine C. Now, to work out this, you only need to compare two sides. You don't have to compare all the three. All right? So, any two sides actually. Any two sides. Now, for this case, we are going to take 198.7. So B is actually 198.7. So we are going to have 198.7, 198.7.17 divided by sine B, which is sine 105, should be equals to A. Actually, we are supposed to be comparing B and A. So it's going to be equal to 130 divided by sine A. Therefore, if I want to find sine A, it's simple. It's going to be sine A is equals to 130 sine 105 divided by 198.17. And if you want to find the angle now, A is going to be the sine inverse of 130 sine 105 divided by 198.17. You plug this into your calculator, and if you plug this, you will indeed find A to be equals to 39.4. Okay, now C, part of the question. Now in C, we are supposed to be finding the area of this quadrilateral, a quadrilateral sports complex. Now in this case, we are going to work out the area of two triangles. So we have triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So beginning with triangle ABC, the area will be worked as, we're not going to use a half base times height because the two triangles are not right angle triangles. So the best thing, we are going to use the sine formula for working out the area, which is the area is equals to 1 over 2 A B sine C. All right, now in this case, AB is supposed to be the length of the sides that lie between the angle. So the area, therefore, is going to be 1 over 2 AB. So times 90 times 210 sine 70. Plugging this into the calculator, our solution is equals to, our answer is actually 8,880. Now let's consider finding the area of triangle ADC. So actually this is the area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Now triangle ADC. Triangle ADC, the area will also be calculated as, the area will be equals to the lengths that we have. So 1 over 2 multiplied by the length is 130 times another length that is 190.7. All right, sine the angle that is lying between these two lengths. So sine the angle that lies between this length. How do we get the angle? It's going to be as a result of, because we have one side, angle D is 105 and angle A is 39.4. So it's going to be 180 minus 105 plus 39.4. So this 39.4 and 105, angle A, and this is angle D. These two, when we combine them, we subtract from 180, we are actually going to get angle C. So then the area is going to be equal to 1 over 2 times 130 multiplied by 190 5.7 sine. So when you work out this, you will realize that the angle is going to be approximately 35.6. And again, plugging this into our calculator, our final answer for this triangle, our answer is going to be equal to 7,498. 7,498. All right. So we have this and we have this. So we are going to add both areas. So adding both. So you add this. Adding both, that is 8,880. 8,880 plus 7,498. 7,498. Now, in this case, we are going to get, so let me just write it here, 8,880 plus 7,498. Our solution is going to be 16,378 centimeters squared. Okay. This question, all of this question is a whopping 10 marks. And I have seen this question. It's very, very, very popular in most of the GCSE exams. Thank you for watching. Keep connected here by subscribing and clicking the notification button. Have a great day. Bye bye.